Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to install MySQL Server and Workbench on Windows operating system. So let's start with video. First, I will open the Google Chrome web browser. Within this, just type MySQL Community Installer Download. And just press the enter. So it will show the official website to download MySQL installer. So I will select this first one, download MySQL installer. So just click on this. Now see, it is showing the MSI installers available and it will show the latest version. If you want to see the older versions, you can go through this archives. So I will select this one and it is for Windows. So just I will download this. And here, no need to sign up and log in. Just click on this option, that is no thanks. Just start my download. Now downloading is started here. So it will take a little bit of time. Now see, it is showing setup types. First one is a server only. Second is a client only. Next one is a full. It installs all the catalogs, that is MySQL Server, Shell, MySQL Router, MySQL Workbench. And last one is a custom option, which allows you select exactly product which you would like to install. So I will go through this custom type. Just click on next button. Again, we want this MySQL Server. So I will select MySQL Server. I want MySQL Server. I want MySQL Workbench. So I will select this and just click on next option. If you want Shell, you can select Shell also. In this way, you can add this product and just click on next button. Now see, all these are ready to install. That is MySQL Server, Workbench, as well as Shell also. So here you have to install the packages. That's why it is showing option execute instead of next. So just click on execute option. Now see, it is installing packages for the Workbench, Server and Shell. Now see, all products are installed, Workbench, Server as well as Shell. Now select the next option. And it needs the configuration. So just click on next to configure the product. Now see, here it is showing the port number 3306. It is a default port number for MySQL Server. And I want to continue with this default port number. So just click on next button. Again, click on next. Now see, here you have to set the MySQL root password. So I will set the password as a root, ROOT. It will be as per your choice and you have to remember this password. Again, click on next button. Just click on next. Yes, grant full access and select this option. Yes, grant full access and just click on next option. You have to apply all this configuration. So just click on execute option. Now see, it is showing message, the configuration for MySQL Server 8.0.40 was successful. Just click on next. Now see, here it is showing the installation procedure has been completed. Start MySQL Workbench after setup and start MySQL Shell after setup. I don't want Shell, just I want to start the MySQL Workbench. So I will select this and just click on finish option. Now see, this is my MySQL Workbench, and here, and you can use this MySQL Workbench. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.